Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a low carb gluten free recipe for lunch menu without using rice, which is perfect for those suffering with health issues like thyroid, PCOS, diabetes and obesity. So let's get into the recipe and see how to make this. To start with, take 1/3 cup of quinoa and wash thoroughly. Quinoa is gluten free, very high in proteins with all essential amino acids and fiber. It has low glycemic index, which is good for blood sugar control. Quinoa's unusual composition and exceptional balance of protein, oil, and fat, as well as its minerals, fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins, make it a highly nutritious superfood. Now add twice the amount of water to the quinoa and soak it for 30 minutes. Transfer this vessel to the instant pot and cook in the high pressure for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take a pan, add 2 spoons of butter and allow it to melt. After the butter is melted, I am going to add all these ingredients: peanuts, cashews, split chickpea, urad dal, zeera, mustard and green chilies. Now I am adding mustard seeds, 1 spoon of zeera, 1 spoon of urad dal, 2 spoons of split chickpea, half a cup of peanuts and cashews. Now saute them and allow it to fry. Here I am adding little amount of asafoetida. This asafoetida, apart from giving good flavor and smell to the dish, this helps in proper digestion. Now add 3 spoons of raisins. Despite of their small size, raisins are packed with energy and rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Raisins are naturally sweet and high in calories. And coming to cashews, cashews are protein rich and excellent source of antioxidants. Here I am adding 3 green chilies that are slit longitudinally. And cashews make a fantastic vegan cream as they are rich in heart healthy fatty acids. Cashews contains no cholesterol. Allow them to fry nicely and saute in between to avoid burning. After everything is fried well, add handful of cilantro to this. Now add a cup of fresh grated coconut to this. Saute and fry. Keep stirring continuously until the coconut is well fried and leaves good aroma. Coconuts are especially high in manganese, which is essential for bone health and the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins and cholesterol. They are also rich in copper and iron, which helps to form red blood cells, as well as selenium, an important antioxidant that protects your cells. Here I am adding 1 spoon of ghee as I felt that coconut is getting burned at the bottom. Our coconut is also rich in fiber and offer a number of benefits, including improved heart health and weight loss. It takes few minutes for the coconut to fry completely and leave good aroma. To this add our pre-cooked quinoa and salt according to the taste and give it a good mix until everything combines well. Now our healthy gluten-free coconut quinoa is ready to enjoy. As our first dish is completed, let's move on to the second dish. To start with our second dish, take a pan, heat and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add half a cup of peanuts, half a cup of split chickpea, quarter cup of urad dal, and saute and fry them. Once they are 50% fried, now add 4 pots of peeled garlic to this. Now add 5 to 6 red chillies. This is optional. If you don't like to add red chillies, you may add black pepper in this place. Now add fried gram and saute and fry on medium flame. This frying takes place for about 5 to 6 minutes because we are frying them on a medium flame. Now add 2 spoons of coriander seeds to this and fry until everything is fried well. Keep stirring continuously throughout this frying process, otherwise they will not be cooked properly. Now add a spoon of zira or cumin seeds to this and saute until nice aroma comes. After everything is fried well, switch off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. On cooling, transfer this to the mixie jar. To this add handful of dried coconut powder and salt according to taste and grind to a fine powder. Split chickpeas that we added in this powder is rich in protein and fiber keeps us full for longer time and protein satiates hunger. To this pre-cooked quinoa add a spoon of ghee and a spoon of our prepared powder and give it a good mix until everything combines well. Store the remaining powder for next use whenever it is required. So friends, our low carb gluten free recipes ideal for those with health issues are ready. Please try these recipes and do comment how they turned out. And if you like my recipes, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon below and stay tuned for more healthy and interesting recipes. This is Rupa signing off for today and see you in the next video. Thank you.